Is it getting tough to find customers? Are the traditional marketing methods like newspaper or shopper ads not working like they used to, or getting too costly for the results they do produce? Well, there's some good news for a change. This brand new innovation makes it possible to shoot inexpensive TV-style commercials and put them on the internet to generate leads and customers for your business almost overnight. Welcome to iWebVideoSolutions.com. We call it web video marketing, and it is really starting to take off. It quickly generates highly qualified local leads and seamlessly delivers your offer to get them in the door. The cost doesn't even come close to what a TV commercial would cost. In fact, it is probably comparable to what you're paying now for newspaper or Yellow Pages ads. You get exposure all over the internet and at or near the top of the internet search engines like Google and Yahoo. Now, I have to confess, we use a secret weapon to get your video all over the web so fast and inexpensively. I'd be glad to tell you all about it and talk to you about your business and how web video marketing might help you get more leads and customers. Just fill out the form on this page for a free marketing consultation, and I'll call you to set up a time when I can stop by. I have some other results to show you when we get together. You have to see them to believe it. I look forward to meeting you and talking about how we can help your business right now.